arbitrationagreements.org. If you're watching this, you have probably reached a turning point in your life where divorce seems like the only viable path forward. We get it. Divorce is complex, emotionally draining, and often scary. But there are ways to simplify this process and make it less daunting. Today we are going to talk about divorce mediation and why it could be the best route for you. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. Divorce mediation is a method of alternative dispute resolution where a neutral third party, the mediator, helps both parties reach agreements. It's a private, voluntary process, and it puts you in control, not a judge. Now you may wonder why you should consider mediation. Let's go through some key advantages and some interesting statistics that may surprise you. First, it's cost-effective. The average cost of a divorce using a lawyer can range from $15,000 to $30,000 per person. But with mediation, the cost is typically around 70% cheaper. Secondly, it's faster. Traditional divorce litigation can take 1 to 2 years, but divorce mediation typically wraps up within 3 to 6 months. Time is precious. Why waste it? The third point is about your kids, if you have them. Studies show that children fare better in a mediated divorce because it's less adversarial, reducing the stress on them. You wouldn't want to put your kids through an unnecessarily harsh ordeal, right? Fourth, you have control over the outcome. In mediation, you and your spouse make the decisions, not a court. This typically leads to a higher level of satisfaction with the result, according to the American Bar Association. Finally, privacy. With mediation, your issues are kept private, not aired in open court. It can be an enormous relief to know that the intimate details of your life won't become public record. Understandably, you may feel a wave of emotions right now. Anger, despair, confusion. But remember, there are ways to make this phase of life more manageable. You're strong, you're capable, and with divorce mediation, you can take the reins of your life back in your hands. We hope this discussion has shed some light on why divorce mediation may be the best choice for you. There's a path forward that preserves your dignity, your financial resources, and your emotional well-being. You deserve to navigate this journey in the most peaceful way possible. If you want to learn more information about divorce mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many individuals and families use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the benefits of divorce mediation? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.